Hey guys, ChrisFix here with Donut Media.
That's right, Chris. Great to have you. We can all go straight pretty good, right?
Yeah. Pretty good, yeah.
But how are your backwards skills?
Whoa. None of them are phones.
Just go. All right, it all comes down to this. Today is the reverse lap challenge. I can't eat this chip again.
I think you're getting good at it.
Yeah. This is Car Wars. Our guest today is the king of do-it-yourself car repair and privacy protection. He's taught you how to do everything, from change brake pads to build a drift car in your driveway. Please give a warm welcome to ChrisFix.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for being here, dude. We're really stoked to have you.
I'm pumped.
Today we're going to do the reverse lap challenge. Nolan, take it away.
As the name of the challenge implies, as the name of today's challenge implies, today's competition will be driven in reverse, and with a time penalty for every cone hit. Precision driving is the name of the game here. The first team to win 3 rounds wins the biscuit. The other team loses and gets the punishment.
A fate I know all too well.
Doing great, man.
Oh, that's close.
It's the spiciest chip in the whole dang world.
Chris, as our guest, you get to pick which car you want. Which color do you prefer?
Red matches the drift sting, matches the vet.
And blue is
5 extra horsepower with red.
Yeah, every time.
All right.
Which one do you want to do?
You can have driver's seat.
Okay.
Which lap do you want to do?
Oh. The course begins with a box-style slalom, followed by a straight into a sweeping left-hander. After that is the snail sector, which consists of a 720-degree tightening spiral. The snail spits out into a long straight, which leads into the joker sector. A tighter but shorter route is available to the left, while a more manageable but longer route is available to the right. Both options lead into the final challenge, an extremely tight parallel parking space. The challenge is balancing quick driving with precision. Each round will be a head-to-head with one driver from each team. Best 3 out of 5 wins.
Okay, Nolan's backing up to the start line.
Do you think that either one of our competitors is afraid of going backwards?
What are you insinuating?
Well, when you go to water parks and you go down on those big slides, there was one lifeguard one time who deliberately put me backwards every time. I did not appreciate that.
Are you telling me that you have a phobia of going backwards?
Yeah.
All right, Nolan, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh, baby.
And there they go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't knock over.
Nice, Nolan. Nice, Nolan. Nice, Nolan.
Please stop talking.
The playing ground is pretty even.
It really is.
Because nobody does this.
Let's just go safe for this first one.
Look at that.
Not a single cone down in the main part of the course, into the parallel parking.
We're in. Good job, dude.
I feel pretty good.
My nerves are building.
Zach and Chris in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you hear that turbo spooling up.
Looking good. Dang, you're looking real good.
I bet Zach is pretty good at backing up. He's a very focused guy.
Oh, there's a cone.
He's fast. I'm nervous.
Looking real good.
Oh!
He's going really fast. Okay, so that's the lesson here.
Coming to that point where you have to pick. Go
Did I
the
pick
wide.
the right side?
Yep.
Wow. Well done, Zach.
We're coming up on the
Parallel,
okay, so
right?
here's parallel.
Right here.
You're in.
Woo!
That was
Dude!
So
Yeah.
you guys got the first round, which means you have to go first for the second round.
Okay, which starts now? All right, buddy.
Dang, dude, he's sending it.
Good speed. So smooth, too. I was jerky as hell through here.
Chris is going very fast. I don't think he's going as fast as Zach did, though.
The helmet doesn't seem to be hindering him.
Probably looking at that backup camera.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
Okay, here he comes. Let's see him. Parallel park here.
Okay, parallel parking.
We're not in?
Nope, we gotta get basically.
Oh, crap.
Yep, we gotta fly.
Oh, no.
Ugh, losing valuable seconds.
Losing time.
I knew it, because he's not from the city.
One more and we're in, I think. Is that in?
That's in.
I totally messed that up.
It's okay, the parallel park.
That was bad.
Okay, parallel parking.
We're not in?
Nope, nope, nope. Hey, it's okay. Well, we gotta pay attention to the parallel parking spot.
Yeah, but other than that, I mean, I think we're doing well. I think
Yeah.
our strategy of speeding up and a little bit less worry about the cones and more worry about the speed.
Yeah.
There's days where I go in reverse one time for like 5 seconds. I back out of the driveway.
Yeah.
I drive to work.
That's forward.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Let's go, James! Go, go, go! He just says, whatever, screw it. I like that. Go, 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 good. Other way, go, go!
They're cooking though. Look at them move.
Straight, yeah. Go, go, go!
They're hitting a lot of cones though.
They are hitting all the cones.
Oh no!
Watch out!
Go, just go, don't waste the time. Don't be cautious. Woo! I think we did it. It was beautiful.
Congratulations, you won the second round.
What was the hardest part of the course, do you think?
It's all pretty easy to me.
All right, who's gonna drive?
I think I need to
You need to
chill out for a little bit.
Yeah, I'll drive.
3, 2, 1.
This is gonna be like a minute 30.
Oh, ooh, a little close. That's okay.
None of them are forward. He's hitting them, but they're all piling back up.
Okay, not very many cones down.
Oh, that's way too much.
Get in, knock it over, knock it over. Knock it over.
Oh, he's gonna have a hard time getting that tire in.
Oh, the pressure! Yak, stay away from my car! This was a massacre.
Zach, all right, who's driving for you guys?
Okay, parallel parking.
We're not in.
Nope, nope, nope.
What I'd like to do is redeem myself, but
Yeah.
what I think would be smarter is for you to go.
Let's go with a redemption.
Redemption?
Yeah.
Redemption.
All right, visualize the course. Remember the objective. The exact same lap you had with parallel
better
parking
parallel
will
parking.
be golden.
Go.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God!
Stood right back up. Beautiful. Doing great. Just keep it steady.
Let's see what Chris does.
All right.
Redemption time.
Yep, yep, yep. You're good.
Yeah. Redemption.
That was fast,
That was
dude.
smoldering.
So time to beat 217, 143.
Whoa!
Sub 2,
Lord.
baby. Woo! Nice.
Chris and Zach have 2. Nolan and James have 1. You guys start off round 4.
We could win it all right here.
I can't eat this chip again. Like, we need to win this round or we're gonna lose.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow, he's off.
Nice speed to start. Good angle. Dang.
Taking a few down there.
There is a cone stuck under the car.
That's gotta be providing some parasitic drag.
Oh no!
You got plenty of time, dude. Take your time. Be nice and smooth. That's it.
Like you said, smooth. Was that smooth?
I think Zach's going too hard.
He's operating out of a place of fear. Unlike my boy Nolan.
He just wants to have fun.
Parallel park. Stop.
Oh, one pylon over.
So you started with 131.
Whoa.
Hey.
Plus
Wow.
158.
Wow.
That's still sub 2.
good.
I'll take it.
That's really
fast,
well
dude.
done.
What do you guys got?
We got Nolan.
We'll see, yeah.
Good luck, buddy.
We got the cucumber kid.
Are you saying I'm shaped like a cucumber, dude?
3, 2, 1, go.
It's all good. Think about it.
That guy Nolan, he performs under pressure.
Yeah.
Big whip, big whip, big whip. Oh.
What is he doing?
Oh no. Oh my.
We're in.
What a strategy.
That we talked about it in an emergency, but their run was so good that they could have probably parallel parked.
Oh, my body hurts.
Why?
Tense.
The time to beat was 158, 47, 153.
But that only means we have to do this again.
One more time.
But remember, you can only drive a maximum of 3 times, and Nolan's already gone 3 times.
So it's up to James
You guys,
That means I have the opportunity to
to
win
win.
for my team
Yes.
and my family and my dead dad. So
James has repeatedly said that he doesn't perform well under pressure. And this is
This is as much pressure as you get.
Yeah, exactly.
It's in his hands right now.
Uh-huh.
I can't eat this chip again.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh no.
Just go, just do it. Oh, that's a sharp turn. Go, go, go.
Oh, but he's
Okay,
moving
there he
now.
goes. Now he's sending it.
Whoa. Just go, just keep going, just go, just go, just go. Oh no. Oh no. What are you doing? Go the Joker, Joker, Joker.
Oh, he's going through the hard bit.
Yeah, baby. Let's go, baby.
And he's in.
Well, destruction
Well,
is
lap
what the
record.
doctor ordered.
When did you decide to hit that shorter route? Nobody's done it yet.
I didn't. At the beginning of the lap, I was like, car, you do what you want. And he said, James, I'm gonna do it.
All right, so lap record of 110.
Lap record of 110.
All you got to do is add 1 pylon and 34 cones, and it's 223.
That's actually not that bad.
Not that respectable. So each of you guys have gone twice. You have the choice. Who's gonna take the final lap?
I think my boy ChrisFix
Nice, dude.
for the
Good.
final lap.
Yep.
Alrighty, Aphrodite.
ChrisFix or Christopher.
Christopher Fixtifer.
Christopher Fixtifer.
It all comes down to this.
Oh, slower than usual through the chicane.
Beautiful, beautiful.
We'd only wait. He's going kind of slow, dude.
Nice. Got it. Oh yeah, very nice.
My heart's like,
I know. I hope he can't park.
wow.
That's a solid
Wow.
parking job.
That's gonna be a winner.
Cool.
When you came in before the cones was 123.
Ooh.
Not bad.
That's
The
fast.
time you had to beat the
Not as fast as my time before cones though, so. Just want
so
to
you
point
needed
that
to
out.
beat 223, including the cones. Your final time was 155.
Yeah! Nice work. Now we
fun.
get to do the least fun
The
part.
least fun
of the
part
show.
of probably my entire career. And I got to do it 3 days, 4 days, now 4 days in a row. I think that would have been a video in and of itself. Million views, just titled, I ate a ghost pepper chip 4 days in a row.
Here's what happened.
Here's what happened.
All right, so this is the hottest chip in the world. It is covered in Carolina Reaper pepper, which really hurts. And it's just a really fun time to have with your friends. And you know what? I wouldn't want to eat this chip with anybody else. Cheers.
Why? Because I'm so good at it?
Yeah.
Huge thanks to Kia for making Car Wars possible. They gave us our sweet, sweet battle rides, and today we drove the 2020 Kia Forte GT. The Forte is Kia's peppy and practical compact sedan, and the GT kicks it up a notch. It's got a sportier front grille, side skirts, and rear spoiler. It's rolling on 18s, and it lights up the road with LED headlights. This thing is powered by a turbocharged inline-4 pumping out 201 horsepower. Power goes to the ground through the front wheels, and it handles the turns thanks to their new Sport Tune suspension. Inside, the Forte has all the good stuff. I'm talking Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with a matching shifter, 10-way adjustable seats, Harman Kardon speakers, and even a wireless phone charger. The Forte GT is loaded with safety features too. Forward collision warning? Check. Forward collision avoidance? Check. Blind spot collision warning with lane change assist? Check. Rear cross traffic collision warning and parking distance warning? Check. The Forte GT literally has your back. Thanks again to Kia for partnering with us to make Car Wars.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, the cough. Oh, God.
Ah! 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 It's hot.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up. And as always, check out the links in the description. You guys link stuff? Link stuff in the description. Check it out.
That
was a lot of fun, dude.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, be nice.
I love you.
See you next time.